Okay, so welcome back. Before we go to talk about the best notes right now, and before we do the giveaway, finally I'm doing giveaway. You have the money, by the way, in your account, the people who win. Now let's talk about how much costs one note. So if you buy this token, this note right here, you know that they have a note, okay, playable, all right, games, they have a note. If you go to their website, you will see that they are note cost. Let me just go. This is their website. Go down right here, go up, sorry, notes, and you will see the note costs $6,600. Okay, now how many tokens you're going to get? You're going to get 1,000 tokens. Okay, 1,000 tokens. If you go right here, you will see that for 1,000 tokens you're making $5 a day. You need to pay $6,600. Okay, now let's go to Miria. The note cost, if you go to the website, the note costs $6,000, and if I'm not mistaken, you're getting roughly around $3-4 a day. All right, again, $6,000, you're getting around $3-4 a day. Okay, that is crazy. Now if you strongly, and this is in this coin market cap, you know, when I'm talking about this market cap right here, you know, if this go 10x, you know, the money, it's only 36 million market cap. If this go 10x, well, then you do $50 a day, but still $6,600 and $6,000 for Miria. That's crazy expensive. Now my top favorite, Galaxy Engine notes. Okay, why? Because the price is only $777. So instead of buying one here, why you just don't split around and buy more notes in different tokens? Okay, so let's say, again, not financial advice, do your research. Please understand, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. This video is for entertainment and education purposes only. By the way, if you never watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive, I don't know what the heck you're doing. This is Thank You Santa Phil. I love these kids. I've been to see them in India just a couple of months ago, and I'm supporting this teacher right here for over 16 months, almost 2 years, very soon. Okay, again, if you want to donate something, feel free. If not, that's still okay. Okay, wait to the end of the video so you can see the giveaway. Okay, so this is Galaxy Notes. All right, this is my favorite right now. The token is coming end of March. We still have a lot of times to accumulate, so just do the maths. Right now they all sold 5,400. The price is $777 on Polygon chain. You need to have USDT over there, and also you need to have some Matic just for your fees, like 10 cents, 5 cents, 1 cent. Now make sure you use my code to get that note. That's the only way you can get the code. Okay, this is the code MXGV1M. Make sure when you're buying, add this code and let me know. For everybody who buying from today, again, I'm going to do new giveaway. All right, it depends how many people you are. It depends how much money I have left to send. Okay, so Galaxy Engine notes. All right, so check this out. You making around, as I did the maths, I did a video just a couple of days ago. Let me just find it. I think it was right here, 3 hot crypto notes, and go and watch that video, explain briefly in few minutes how much and what nodes they are. So but basically you have this one, Galaxy Gilius notes. All right, so here you have the cheapest note ever. It's $265. So check this out. Instead of buying one here, you can buy 30 here, 30 notes, not 30, sorry, 25 notes, or you can buy around 8 here, 8.5, 9 notes here. Just imagine how much money more you can make buying here or buying Gilius, or maybe even go further and buy the other one, what I really like, Vision Note. All right, this one is $600. You can buy 11 of these. All right, so just quickly to summarize, Vision Note is like a launch pad. So you use the tokens so you can get into early launch pads, all right, into early tokens. They had the first one, what was where was it? Was Me Music, and it was sold out. Okay, go and watch my video from the other day, but the links will be here. They're only going to have 10,000 notes, and the price increasing for $50 every 250 notes sold. Now if you go back to Gilius, all right here, this one here was sold around 300-400 just a couple of days ago, and now this is tier 3, already sold 1200. Once this one is go down, one is sold, this will be the next tier, I think, and maybe that's the last one, I'm not sure. This is the cheapest note there, and you will see I'm earning here GBTC. Okay, so this, go and watch my video. This is very interesting. The token and their blockchain is not even out yet, and they're saying if you don't like the notes, the blockchain, they can send you the money back at the end. I only got one here, but I need to buy one more, definitely. Okay, so let's go back to Galaxy. So Galaxy, as I mentioned too many times, they support the they did the NFT for Mike Tyson, they did for Steve Aoki, they did for NBA Association NFT. They have 1.6 million tokens every day giving, plus 400 tokens every day for everybody who hold the note. That's why it's very important to get the note when it's early, because the price go up. They sold over 225,000 NFT and around 32,000 Ethereum on the secondary market. That is crazy. So just to go back to the price, just check this out. You're getting around 300-400 tokens per day. Okay, and the price, listing price, nobody know, but probably will be around 3-4 cents. So 300 tokens by 3 cents, that's around $9 you just making now before even the price is out. Okay, every day $9. Here you making $5. On Miria you making 3-4 max $5. Okay, at this time. Now just imagine, usually this price will go 10x on day one. Not financial advice, but that's what every nodes do. So if you do 10x now on the day one or day two, is the same like you making $90 per day today. Okay, from today. Okay, so I hope you understand the point. Alright, so that's about it. Linking is in the description. If you want to get in, fine. If not, that's your issues. Alright, I got a couple of notes. I team up in the beginning and I was here the first day. The first day I was getting 1,800 tokens a day. It only was the first day, 1,800, then 1,400, 1,100, and then drop down, and it was holding around 600-700 for a few days time. Okay, that's about it. We know the token coming soon. They did, by the way, partnership with CoinMarketCap Labs. All right, I just did a video a couple days ago. Go and watch it. All right, I'm hyped. Sorry, love you all. Make sure you watch till the end. By the way, the next part will be speed up video, so you can see who win. And I'm sending the money now. Actually, when you watch this video, the money will be in your account. Thank you for everybody who participated. All right, love you all. Till the next one. Goodbye. Okay, so this part of the video will be fast speed at 1.5 speed, so make sure, you know, just to be aware. All right, so the addresses right here, they are not full, just to keep your privacy right there. And we're going to keep up six people, $50 each, and I'm going to send one to one guy straight up to his wallet because he bought a couple of notes. He is not here, so I'm going to send him $50. Now, also make sure you understand, I'm going to send you USDT on Matic, right, on Polygon chain, and let's go. And good luck to all of you, and thank you so much for using the link. All right. Ooh, that was close. So this is the first number from that new address. Okay, I'm removing. Now, number 2. It's sunny here today. Congratulations. Remove. I'll just do one by one. Number 3. Congratulations. Remove. Number 4. Congratulations. Number 5. All your money will be sent before you watch this video, by the way, if you wonder why you get $50. Good. Congratulations. Move. And this one. Last one. Okay, congratulations to all of you. Good luck for the next time. You never know when I'm doing giveaway. All right.